Here we are, guys, June the 21st, 2026 on the Crown Princess going into Gatsby's Casino. Check it out, show you what kind of games they got in here. Start off to the right, you can see the Paradise Lotto, the tables. We're gonna take a look at the slots. Got a couple jackpot carnival buffaloes. Not sure how popular those are. Cash machines, some 2-3x bonus multiplier machines. Money Rain, Star Spangled Riches. And that President's one, whatever that's called. We got the Big Foo cash bats. And some 3-reelers over here. And we'll swing you around to the backside. We do have 2 more of the Jackpot Carnival Buffaloes. And what are these? Forget what those are. Over here, Mistress of Egypt, Temple of Fire, and Scarab. We got the Royal Monkey, Turtle Kingdom, and Royal Monkey again with the little dude sitting on top of his stuff. Gold Stacks 88. This one here is the Fireball.
What are those called? I can't remember.
Fireball.
Fireball game.
And then we got Triple Supreme Extreme. Those ones with the chicken and the dragon watching over his pearls and gold coins. Here we got the Firecrackers, Bowzoo's Alfu, featuring bonus boost. I'm gonna swing it around. We got the Superstar Poker Machines, little fortune coin back here. I'm gonna swing you around to look at some mummies, Momo Mummy, along with some Buffalo Gold Revolution. And some more Superstar Poker games. Back here we got those clamshell games. I'm not sure what those are called.
It's dancing drums.
Dancing drums, that's right. And these, probably the most popular on the ship, the Dragon Links. Babies get played a lot. Wild Fury in the back, Dreams of Egypt. Got some more poker machines, and they just stuck these in while we were on our cruise. Got the Momo Mummy and the Ghost and the Yeti. Got Mighty Cash up. This one is Ultra Rush Gold. Another 3-reeler here. And this is the Dragons, what was that, Long Bow Bow and the Leprechaun game. This one's having a little issue. Had better days. Alright, we got the tables, got a couple roulette. Bad thing is, this is triple green roulette. Alright, we got the tables and we're going to swing it around. Not sure what those are. Probably not fun. Super Cash Link. We got a little Lotus, Soul of Egypt. Not sure what those are.
I don't remember.
We got Mega Money Cash and the Power Push if you want to do a little coin dozing. This is another Ultra Rush Gold machine right here. And we got Huff and even more Puff. 3 of those in a row. They haven't been seeing as much play as I thought they would. Coin Combo, Perfect Peacock, Carnival Cow, and Mighty Monkey. What we got back here? Alright, we got 4 Don't Remembers back there. Some more poker. More video poker there. And these, I know this is Prosperity Tortoise on the end, and 2 of his friends. Oh, Tiger won the Princess one. These are the King Kong 3 of those in a row. And that is Lucky O'Leary Jackpots, Star Watch Fire, and Star Watch Magma. This is a train game. Not sure the name of that, but Railroad Riches. And
I don't know. It might be more Kongs. I don't remember.
3 more I don't knows, possibly more Kongs. Like Kong, this is your spot. We have Lightning Link. I probably wouldn't play these 2 and then the grand jackpot is 0. 5,300 on that one in the middle. And then we got Railroad Riches again on this side. More of those Lotus Links.
You're just saying the grand is 0 because they're off.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Oh, buddy, catch up. Got Star Rise here. Some gold stacks. Lightning Link. Those grands are also 0.
Yeah, don't play them.
Oh, man. Marie really does think I'm dumb. Jackpot Inferno, Lucky Lantern, and a temporarily unavailable something. And we got Wonder 4 Jackpots. Got a Wonder 4 over here. Super quick hit super wheel. 88 Fortunes Diamond.
I don't know.
And 3 more I don't know.
Oh, those are also the tiger and chicken.
Oh yeah, Tiger and Chicken Pearl game. This is
These
the
are
dragon game.
coin.
Dragon coin. 3 of those, and what we got on this side? 3 more dragon coin. And we got the Daji. 3 of those bad boys. And that's going to be a look at the casino. So be sure and hit that subscribe button, like button, helps us out. And just a nice little tour of the casino here on the Crown Princess. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one after we hit this big grand giant jackpot. World Cruise 2026 on the Crown Princess. This baby goes for 114 nights on the sea. We are only doing a 33-day segment, but we're having a blast, and I think we got the best one. Cape Town to Dover, London, England.